Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and here's a quick tip. I buy vitamin gel for my cats because they love it, and also it helps them gain some weight as well, since they're outdoor cats and also indoor cats. But this actually helps them out. But to fully utilize a full tube of it, I try to wring out most as I can, and at the end of it, I basically cut it open so I could get the last 1 or 2 servings out of it. The reason why is because look, there's still at least a teaspoon in here, and that's how much I give them, on a daily basis. So try not to waste this stuff. It's actually quite it's not exactly expensive, but it's also, I really don't like wasting food, especially for my cats or other products, because otherwise it goes to the waste anyway. So what I do is I cut it open and I use a spoon to basically take the rest out. Look, there's roughly about a teaspoon of the stuff. There's probably about a teaspoon and a half, and that's perfect because I'm just going to go ahead and mix it into their wet food and put it in the refrigerator, or just mix in their wet food. So it's one last serving that they could use, and rather than have it wasted. Now my cats love this gel because not only it tastes good, but they need it for to gain extra weight, because they are kind of skinny and they are outside, so they kind of need as much vitamins and calories as they can get. So I mix it in with their pate food, so they like it as an alternate flavor, which is really cool. Basically, they think it's a special treat for them. Anyways, that's about it. It's a quick tip to save most of your stuff and to get another serving or so. Anyways, this is SterlingW. I hope this helpful tip was helpful to you. See you next time. Bye bye.